Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. I may look really tired, and that's because I am. But I've had a very good night's sleep. Well rested, very well rested. It's nice to wake up next to the stream, the river, whatever you want to call it. Nice and peaceful. And we've had a special delivery. We have been brought a breakfast hamper with butter, some jams, and like I think peanut butter or something, or like a seedy butter. I got some milk and a big pot of tea. And this bread smells absolutely amazing, and it's freshly baked. It is so warm, and oh my god, that's just incredible. Bread. It smells so good, doesn't it?
It does.
What a lovely morning. Wow, a little stream river thing.
So can I just lift a little bit off?
Yeah, you can try some. It's good. Right, so now we've finished our breakfast, we've done a bit clearing up. It's now time for us to test out this shower. We've used the water already just to get some warm water to wash up in, but it's literally just a watering can on a tree with a heater. So we'll let you know how it goes. Naked in the countryside. That's my clickbait title. I'm so naked. All ready, all sunny. That was a very fun naked shower, wasn't it? It was actually really good. I'm gonna have another one later. It's really like freeing, relaxing. Yeah, so we're getting ready. We're gonna go to Cwmtili and go for a walk either between Cwmtili to Newquay or Newquay to Cwmtili and back, depending on how long it takes us to go. We're also gonna go and see where Ellie's old house was, or still is. Yeah, just have a nice day. It's sunny, unlike yesterday where it was cloudy, so yeah, gonna make the most of it, hopefully.
Way.
Look at this.
You have reached your destination on your right.
Whoa, it's so cute and peaceful. Oh, look at this. Ah, beautiful. Oh, cave.
Yeah.
Look at this. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. This is just amazing. What's up there? Oh, wow. Gorgeous.
He didn't attack us with it.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Is that a buzzard? Red kite.
It's a red kite, it's got a red bit on its tail. Wow. How are you finding it so far, Pook?
It's alright, it's very pretty.
It is very pretty.
Oh, look at my house there.
Do you want to live there?
Yeah.
That'd be really nice.
Yes.
Look at this. Come on, guys. Find us some dolphins. I have just seen my first lizard in the UK this year. They're cute little, No.
Oh, yeah,
We didn't see a lizard.
yeah, we did. Once we were walking down the country road from the wall.
I don't believe you. There's a little sand lizard. That's the one basking on a log, on a piece of wood. We accidentally scared it off, but that's made me very, very happy. Hello there. Hey. Look at you.
Oh,
Oh.
that's so sweet.
Hey, guess what?
What?
We're doing so well. Look at this. Whoa. Crazy views. Right, there is something out there. You might be able to see it come out, but like this is on my phone. So look, 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 look. See that? Oh wow. That's like a group of birds. I'm guessing there's fish there, but I want to know what's swimming out over there. Because there's two boats here now, one there and one like down there somewhere.
I saw something over there. I don't know if that's something, but it's.
So it's either dolphins or porpoises, or it's some kind of
There's
whale.
stuff going up and down over there.
Maybe it's a pod of dolphins. quite far out, yeah. Ooh. That was really cool. Saw some dolphins. I'm not really sure what type they were, but they might be like white-finned or something, or white-sided. Cool. Yeah, we made it to Newquay. Alright, let's go find some food. How hungry are you?
Not that hungry, but I can very happily eat.
That's you in a nutshell, isn't it?
Breakfast ages ago. We did quite a lot
a
of
very long time ago. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at your doll. Looks like something I'd make.
It looks like something you'd make.
Yeah, like the curries I make in your house, in your flat. Oh, that is beautiful. No more vlogging, it's time to eat. Look. You happy? Yeah, I got a nice sea behind us. It's time for us to do that walk all over again. Aww. Yeah, Ellie just found a house that's for sale and she's taking a picture of it so she can look it up later. Priorities. Yeah, I'm not sure how much I'm going to film on the way back just because we've already done it, but if there's some cool views, I'll make sure I get a little video. Da-da-da. 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 Ah! Oh my god! It's so steep and scary! Ah! We saw a seal down there, but we can't see it anymore. Oh, that's terrifying, isn't it? Did you hear that noise?
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, the view looking this way is amazing. Sheepies. Hello, sheepies. You happy?
I'm very happy.
I'm tired.
This is what it's like down the beach.
This is nice.
But I love the sound.
Yeah, the sound's lovely. Oh, this is cute. Go on, off you go. Here she goes. Ellie with her famous skimming technique. What's she gonna do? Oh, it didn't even reach the sea. Oh, there's a cave. It doesn't look like it goes very far, but still it's a cave. Hello, horses. Hello. Hey. Do you too? Actually can't walk behind you, mate. We'll get kicked in the face.
Oh, he's telling me.
Hey. Hello. Hey. Hey. Hello. Are you scared? It's just a horse. Hey, sweetheart. Right, we're nearly back. Can we? No. What do you mean? I never do that. Right, so that's where, down where the car is. Where can we find her? There she is, Martha. Hopefully she hasn't missed us too much. We've been gone for what? 4 hours? A bit longer than that?
Yeah.
4.5 maybe?
Longer than that.
We've done this second bit a lot quicker than the first.
Yeah.
So.
I'm
Well.
really surprised actually because on the way there I was thinking, oh, we've got to walk this back, and there seemed to be loads more like steep bits going this way on the way back.
Yeah, but I think we just like knuckled down and did it because we kind of knew how hard it was going the other way. We just like, fuck it, we can just do it, and we did it really well and quickly.
Yeah.
And like our legs are tired. Are yours tired anyway?
They don't feel as bad now. They did feel really tired, like half a mile back.
Yeah, but like we're okay now. I have no intention of going to sleep anytime soon, so it means we can still go and do something else.
I reckon I'm going to be quite tired quite early.
Well, we could maybe do the waterfall walk, like the short one,
Yeah.
and then go to that farm, find some food.
Oh yeah, I've forgotten about that.
Yeah,
Do you think it'll still be open?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, but it's been a very good day. We've taken a little bit of a stop because Ellie wanted to try and find this. We tried to find it on the way to the beach, but we could on the way to the walk, but we couldn't. But we found where you used to live when Ellie was a little baby. First of all, you have a sick view here. You didn't tell me that you grew up with a massive, awesome view like this. But there's Ellie's old house. That's where Ellie actually used to live. You were like brought up here when you were a little baby. That's amazing. It's so far away from home that you just don't like think about it. That is, without this place, I wouldn't have met you. Well, possibly, but that's so nice. Do you want to go knock on them and say you used to live here when you were a baby? Do you remember it?
Not really, only from pictures.
Aww. That's so cute.
It is, it's really nice.
That's lovely.
Lovely wind turbine.
Yeah, lovely wind turbine. No, you got a nice view. Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah.
And now She's all grown up with a baby of her own. We got some food.
You will arrive at your destination at 6:56 p.m.
Thank you.
It's my
We got some food. Now we're gonna go back and just relax. We've had a bit of a stressful time coming to the shops to try and find some vegan food, and there wasn't any. So we're gonna go back and just have a chilly thing with another naked shower. That's how you meant to shower, though, isn't it? Naked. I think so. Our little camp's looking nice. We're just putting the food away, and we're actually gonna go for a little walk. Gonna go try and find a waterfall, and then we'll come back, have a shower, and get settled in for the night. Look at this. This is cute.
Sony Bluebell.
Bluebells everywhere. Bluebells everywhere. Like seriously, everywhere. This is gorgeous. Pretty. And bluebells aren't bad either. Oh, I can hear something. Sounds like a waterfall. Oh, okay.
Oh.
That's quite cute actually. Look at that. Oh. That's really pretty. Wow. So cool. Hello. Over the troll bridge. Got to pay the troll toll, Ellie. Got to pay the troll toll. Yes. We just got attacked by a dog. Like it just came for hugs and stuff. But we've been trying to follow these awful, like, let's be honest, they're quite bad instructions for this walk, and we keep getting lost. And we finally think we found our way again, and the dog just comes, starts jumping on us. Oh my god.
Right, so.
Going past farms, we're going past farms.
And we should go past a glamping site called One Cat Farm.
How many cats do you think they have?
5.
Thought so. Coming to get some leaves for our salad. Lots and lots of leaves. Ellie and I have made something truly beautiful. Yes, a baby. Well guessed. Well, first of all, we've made the hut look really cute. We've lit some candles, and I turned the little fairy lights on. It looks all cozy and nice in there. But mainly we've sorted out our dinner, and it's quite a spectacle, you know. First of all, we're making some sandwiches with hummus. Yeah. What is it?
Hummus and cucumber and
Sweet chili hummus.
Yeah.
With cucumber. We've got some picked. We picked these salad, like spinach and rocket and stuff. And then we've got pepper and cucumber. And for me, I have some pepperoni.
Help myself
So this is pretty nice. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Go on, Ellie. You mix those salad
I'm all
leaves.
gross now.
Nice and oily. Right. This is our big food pile. We've got carrots, peppers and cucumber to dip in hummus. I've got some cake, we've got some crisps, donuts and bickies, and then our sandwiches, which are looking mighty fine, which we're going to eat now. So yeah, sorry, excuse us, we're very hungry.
Are they coming down with the...
Yeah, they're bringing our hot water bottles down.
Yay! Are we allowed to
See you in a bit.
Here?
Alright dude, I think we're going to go to bed because I'm very tired. Ellie's being a bit weird, but I think she's tired too. If you have enjoyed today's video, I've had a great day. I think you've had a good day, have you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great, thanks.
It's been lovely.
Good. If you have enjoyed, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you leave a what? What is? Is that a hot water bottle? Such a weirdo. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and you'll see us every single day for our adventures. And until next time.
Peace out.
Nerds.